Hey, so nice to have you here. My name is Petter, but my friends call me Pete. I am a photographer and content creator from Trondheim in Norway. And I'm a trained engineer, but my passion lies with photography. And before you're thinking like, oh no, not another photography channel, just hear me out. I started my photography journey 4 years ago. Back then, I really thought that if I wanted to learn photography, I had to go to a school or I would have to do some kind of course to learn it. After I'd finished my mandatory military service, I had saved up enough money to go on a 5-month-long backpacking trip. So I thought, if I'm not gonna learn photography now, then when am I gonna do it? So I borrowed my father's entry-level DSLR, I wrapped it in a scarf for protection, and then I stuffed it in my backpack. For 5 whole months, I traveled around the world taking photos with this camera. And it was some pretty shitty photos. But since I carried this camera with me at all times for these 5 months, I learned all the ins and outs of this camera. And when I came back home, I wasn't as terrible at taking photos anymore. And I was more excited than ever to continue pursuing this craft. Since then, I have learned a lot and luckily gotten a lot better at photography. And I'm not saying that you have to travel around the world to learn how to take photography. Actually, that's exactly what I want this channel to be about. Some of my favorite photographs I've taken not far from my own home. And now I want to share what I've learned these past couple of years with you. Because there are so many things around photography that doesn't have anything to do with a camera at all. And I want to show you how to overcome the obstacles that everybody faces when they first start photography. And how to make the journey much easier than my journey was. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving it a like. And if this sounds like something you want to learn more about, I would highly recommend you subscribe, because I want to see you here again. And remember, you will never regret having a good photo of a great time in your life. Hope to see you soon. Bye.